You got the best of both worlds. You're the kind of girl who can take down a man and lift him back up again. You are strong but you're needy, humble but you're greedy. Based on your body language and shoddy cursive I've been reading, your style is quite selective, but your mind is rather reckless. Well, I guess it just suggests that this is just what happiness is. Hey, what a beautiful mess this is. It's like picking up trash in dresses. Well, it kind of hurts when the kind of words you write kind of turn themselves into knives and don't mind my nerves. You can call it fiction, 'cause I like being submerged in your contradictions, dear. 'Cause here we are, here we are.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin, hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin.